A lot of truck traffic here in Walcott, Iowa today. It's raining ice. Everybody's trying to get off the roads. It's bad. It's real bad out here. They can't decide which way they want to go. It's a good sounding truck. Peterbilt, gonna come straight across, I believe, or he's gonna turn. He's gonna turn. Sounds good though. Still raining, just not as bad. Salt truck. Make sure everybody stays safe out there tonight. Or if you're going east, because the storm's headed east. So if you're going eastbound, be extremely careful on the roads. Any truckers out there that are watching this or that view this, make sure you guys have your CB radios on so there ain't no pile-ups, people don't die. I've noticed that in a lot of videos on here on YouTube that you guys don't have your radios on or don't have a radio. That's just insane. Death waiting to happen.